Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install CapCut in laptop running Windows 11. Whether you are a content creator, a filmmaker, or just someone who loves editing videos, CapCut is a fantastic tool. So let's start the video. To install CapCut in Windows 11 laptop, first step is to download CapCut. To download CapCut video editor for free, open Microsoft Store by pressing Store icon on your taskbar or by typing Store in search. So click on Store icon. In Microsoft Store search bar, type in CapCut and click on Search. Here you will see various options. Look for CapCut by ByteDance. So click on it. So click on Install button. The download has started. It will take some time depending upon the speed of your internet connection. The download is complete now and the installation has started. The installation is complete now. Now close this Microsoft Store window. CapCut has been installed on our laptop and you can see the desktop shortcut here. So double click to open it. It's testing the environment. As you can see the message, your computer can run CapCut smoothly. Click on Confirm button. So this is the main interface of CapCut. Click on the New Project button. Click on the Import button to import the video and start working on it. So you have successfully installed CapCut on your Windows 11 laptop. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.